In this video, you're going to learn how to lead the song Do It Again by Elevation Worship with just you and an acoustic guitar. Coming up. Welcome to Advanced Worship Guitar Tutorials. My name's Spencer Cormany from leadingworshipwell.com, and in this video you're going to learn how to play the song Do It Again by Elevation Worship. If you haven't checked out the cover of this song that I put out yet, you can check it out right here. That's going to show you the arrangement that you're going to learn in this video, but other than that, let's get into it. Here we are in the intro, and before we start, I just want to point out how I have my capo on here. It's turned around backwards. I did this in the song This Is Amazing Grace. You can check that tutorial out right here, but I've got the capo turned around backwards on the 2nd fret, and it's leaving this open E string open. So if you can see that there, looks like that. So we are in the key of E for this song. We're going to be playing D shapes. And in the intro is really important because it's going to teach you the lead line that's pretty much out throughout the entire song. So pay attention here. It sounds like this. As usual, the tab will be right here. Verse number 1. Here we are in verse number 1, and it's really easy. It's just 2 chords. We're going to be playing a G and a D over F sharp. And then halfway through the verse, we're going to be playing that lead line that I just showed you in the intro. So listen for that as I play through the chords, and the tab will be right here. Walking around these walls, I thought for now they'd fall, but you never failed me, yeah. Here comes the lead line. Waiting for change to come, knowing the battle's won. Never failed me, yeah. Lead line into the chorus. Here we are in the chorus. I'm going to show you the chorus, and then there's just a slight little instrumental pause for the chorus. The chords are, once again, G, which is actually a G2, but I just call it a G. And then we go to an A, D over F sharp, back to the G. So this is what the chorus sounds like, and then I'll play the instrumental after that. Your promise still stands, great is your faithfulness, your faithfulness. I'm still in your hands, this is my confidence, you've never failed me yet. Back into the intro. Here we are in verse 2, and verse 2 is pretty much exactly the same as verse 1 except for some slight dynamic changes. The only thing you want to keep in mind, once again, is we're going to be hitting that lead line halfway through. And whenever we go into the second half of verse number 2, it's starting to beef up a little bit. So listen to that as I play through. I know the night won't last, your word will come to pass. My heart will sing your praise again. Here we go. God will sing your praise again. Into the second chorus. Here we are in chorus number 2, and the only thing that's different here is we're going to repeat it twice, but there's this different G chord here, a G2, that we're going to use at the end of the first half of this first part of the chorus. You'll see it, it'll pop up right here. And then we're going to open that up to the standard G2 that we've been playing. So there's kind of like some tension and release there, and you could do that in more than just this part of the song, but I just added it right here. So altogether, chorus number 2 sounds like this. Your promise still stands, great is your faithfulness, your faithfulness. I'm still in your hands, this is my confidence, you never fail. Your promise still stands, great is your faithfulness, your faithfulness. I'm still in your hands, this is my confidence, you never fail me. Yeah. Little instrumental. You could hang on this part as long as you want. And then whenever you're ready, we go into the bridge. Here we are in the bridge, and this is like the main hook of the song. So it's really just composed of 4 different chords. So I want to show you the chords first, and then I'll show you how they work together. So these are the chords we're going to be playing. It's like a D over F sharp to a G, and then an A to a D. But the hook sounds like this. The chords will be right here. Actually, I'm going to put a tab up here. I think it'll be easier to understand. So you'll just keep playing that the whole way throughout the bridge. I'm going to play it a couple times here for you so that you can hear it, but you know the bridge just keeps repeating. So if you're really good, you'll keep that rhythm the whole way through, but sometimes I get messed up in my head. You might have heard it in the cover where I don't always hit the notes at the same time. It's hard to sing it and play it at the same time. But my philosophy is, as long as you've got the general feel of it, it'll be okay. So it sounds like this. I've seen you move the mountains, I believe. I see you do it again. You made a way where there was no way. I believe I see you do it again. You repeat that a couple times, and then from there we go into the instrumental. So it'll be, I see you do it again. Try to open it up here for the instrumental. D over F sharp. Back to the G. To a full D here. Leading into a quiet bridge, same as we played before. I've seen you move the mountains, and I believe I see you do it again. You made a way. You get the idea. So you can repeat that part as many times as you want. That's kind of like the climax of the song. You know how to lead the song. So that's it, and then from there we'll go into the instrumental, which I'll show you right here. All right, we're almost there. Coming out of that bridge, we just hang on G and the D over F sharp until you want to go back into a quiet chorus at the end, which happens right here. Your promise still stands, great is your faithfulness, your faithfulness. Once again, just keep rocking back and forth between the D over F sharp and the G as long as you want. The song's a great song to just draw out and create some space and linger in that space. All right, well, congratulations. You just learned how to lead the song Do It Again by Elevation Worship with just you and an acoustic guitar. Once again, my name's Spencer Cormany from leadingworshipwell.com. I post worship leading tips every single day. So if you want to find those tips, head over to Instagram or Facebook at Leading Worship Well. But I also post here on YouTube. I post these worship guitar tutorials every single week, and I post a worship tip video every single Friday. So if you're interested in that and don't want to miss out on future videos, hit the subscribe button down below, and until I see you next time, keep leading worship well.